Upcycling is a fun and creative way to refresh your wardrobe. Plus, it's good for the planet. It's a win-win. Turning old tees into trendy tops is easier than you think. With a few simple steps, you can create something unique and stylish. Imagine transforming that old concert tee into a cute crop top, or how about turning an oversized shirt into a flowy tank? The possibilities are endless. So, gather your supplies and let's get started. Use fabric glue or iron-on hemming tape to seal the bottom edges of the shirt together. Turn it right side out, and you've got yourself a stylish tote. Now let's try a simple cut-off crop top. Grab an old tee that fits loosely. Lay it flat and decide on your desired crop length. Use fabric chalk to mark a straight line across the front and back. Cut along the lines and voila! You can leave the edges raw for a casual look or fold them under and sew for a polished. Trace the imperfections and let your creativity shine. Start with simple projects and gradually work your way up. Don't be afraid to ask questions and share your creations. Plus, it's a fantastic way to express your personal style. Upcycled pieces are one of a kind and tell a story. So go on y'all, raid your closets, unleash your creativity, and let's turn those old t-shirts into trendy new favorites.